How to turn on Apple Intelligence on your MacBook Neo. You're going to first click on the Apple logo on the top left corner and then select System Settings. On the left side menu, you should see Apple Intelligence and Siri. Click on this. It will open. And over here, turn on Apple Intelligence should be one of the first options. I'll click on it to tell me what it is, blah, blah, blah. You can press continue. And now it will ask you if you want to do certain things. So do you want Apple Intelligence to summarize your notification? If you don't want this, well, set up later. If you want Siri to be able to work with Apple Intelligence, you can set up Siri as well. Click continue. If not, select set up later. And here you go. It's now enabled. It may take a few minutes until you can have access to all the features. As you see, it's downloading support for Apple Intelligence. Now it's 100%, but in case if your internet speed is lower, well, it may take a bit of time until this is 100% completed and installed. And you have more options down below if you want to change them, including if you want to use with ChatGPT. As you see, Apple Intelligence Assets needs to be finished downloading. It's because although it's 100% complete, as you see, it's still spinning. So once this will be done, I will have access to everything. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.